Congratulations on the purchase of your SG1 water-fed system. This quick start video will help you set up your system and start cleaning windows. Step 1. Attach the male end of the 24-inch connection hose from the top of the carbon/sediment filter to the top of the RO membrane canister. Screw on tight enough to engage the rubber gasket. Do not over-tighten, or you could damage your brass fittings. You want to tighten the fitting to the point where the female side will no longer swivel. Step 2. Unscrew the male garden hose fitting on the black bypass tube from the bottom of the carbon/sediment filter. These two fittings are connected to seal the system while in transit but will not be connected during use. Step 3. Fully open the valve on the bypass tube, positioning the red handle in line with the black tubing. Step 4. Attach shutoff valve to the DI filter. Step 5. Attach pole tubing to quick connect shutoff and turn to open position. Step 6. Attach feed hose to carbon/sediment inlet on system and to source water. Step 7. Turn on water. Step 8. Lay the system on its back and elevate the outlet side of the unit so that the bypass is facing upward until air has been purged from the RO housing through the bypass line. Step 9. Once the air has been pushed out of the filters, close the bypass valve partially to begin producing pure water. Do not close off flow through the bypass line while using the system. Some bypass water should always be flowing out. Step 10. Start cleaning windows. If you follow the steps in this guide, you'll get great results from your system. Shutdown procedure. If using a pump, shut off the pump before turning off supply water. Close the shutoff valve to the pole. Open bypass valve to fully open position and flush out the system for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn supply water off. Disconnect the water line. Make system watertight by connecting bypass hose to inlet and closing the shutoff valve.